Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have a warning, service shifter on Dodge Ram, let's explain what can easily cause that. First we need to check some fuses, then we'll explain what else can cause that. So what we guys need to do, we need to open the hood on Dodge Ram. Once you open the hood, on the driver's side you have the car battery. In front of it, that's main fuse box. Here you need to press these two tabs at the same time. Open that cover, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here now, guys, okay, we need to check a few fuses. Let's zoom in. Please, guys, make sure to stand till the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here we need to check, guys, very important, fuse 21, 22. Some of you may have fuse 33 depending on the engine and transmission you have as well. Another one that you need to check is 57. Right there, 57. You need to check fuse number 67, so that's 65, 67, 67 right here. You will need to, guys, also check fuse number 72 and 78. If one of those is bad, you can get that service shifter message. Other things that can cause it, guys, okay, the Dodge Ram, most of them will have the digital, turning shifter. Some of them may have the regular one, but they act practically the same way, guys. Whether you're pulling a handle or you're spinning them, that's a Dodge shifter as well. Here, guys, okay, sometimes when you remove it, if you worked on the dash or something removed on the shifter, you may need to clear the codes, otherwise that code will be stuck and it will give you that warning. That connector here, we had problems with it as well. Loose connector can easily cause that, and make sure that it goes all the way in and clicks in place. Other possibilities could be a bad shifter as well, but first start by checking these things on Dodge Ram. So, guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you, guys, for watching, and see you next time.